Welcome back guys to another of my video. And this time it's about some lights outside my front door. So I have a few lights on the outside. I've got two lights on either side of my front door, and I've got a few lights along the front path, and they are controlled by a traditional on and off switch. Now the problem is sometimes I forget to turn them on at night, and sometimes I forgot to turn them off and they are on until midday or something like that, or sometimes when I come back from work they are still on. The other important thing is that when I'm away from the house, there's no way that I can turn them on remotely, and it's kind of important from the security point of view as well, because when I come back home in the dark, I don't want to stumble. So I've been thinking of ways to control them remotely, or maybe automate these lights. So I was browsing the internet, and on Amazon I found a smart switch. It's called CN Bingo Smart Touch Light Switch. It's Wi-Fi controlled. It's got a glass face and it's got LED backlight. You can control it with an app, and it can also be controlled via Amazon, Alexa and Google. The app to control it is called Smart Life, and I already have that app installed on my phone, and I have two lights which I control with it, and the app works quite nicely. So I thought, let's give it a try and see how it behaves. Now, I'm not at all handy with electricals, so I asked my brother-in-law. He is quite handy with these things, and he kindly agreed, and he came and he installed it for me. The wall switch has been taken off, and you can see the two red live wires and the black neutral wire. Now the back box is being fitted to the wall using the existing screw holes. This is 44mm deep because the switch is quite chunky. Now connect the neutral wire and then the two red live wires, as you can see. Obviously make sure that you have turned the electricity off. And this is what it looks like once all the wires are connected. The faceplate has been taken off in order to fix this to the back box. Now let's put the faceplate on, and it should fit in with a click. Turn the electricity back on, and you will start to see a flashing blue light, which means that it's now ready to be paired with your device. Now open the Smart Life app and then click that plus sign and then add device, and it will take you to this page, and then you select the Wi-Fi switch. Then select your Wi-Fi name and enter your password. Then it will show the switch, and it will take a little while to install it. Switch is now ready, and you can can see that I can turn the light on and off with the app. My Smart Life app is already connected with Alexa, and all of this came up automatically on my screen. In order to automate the light, open Smart Life app, go into scene, and then you can change the time on and time off. And my light has been working brilliantly ever since. I can now control it with both the Google Home and my Amazon Alexa. No more going down all the way from a bedroom to the front door to switch this thing off. I can do it while I'm lying in bed.